So I understand now. I understand now. Okay, I get it. I get it. Anyways, trade breakdown: $19,000 trade on my Funded Squad account. Let me walk you guys through it. Okay. Let me just walk you guys through it. How we did what we do every single day in it. Now we're here on the 15-minute time frame. Now let's go back to the 1 hour. Yeah. Well, we can see gold. Yeah, had this beautiful magic push up. Yeah. Now, obviously, if you look at gold, we can see that we took this high, which is very convenient, right? But what we also saw is that we had this demand and supply here. Now, this supply was a very good supply, yeah? You can see price tap beautiful. Now, I was aiming a little bit higher to short, but once I saw this liquidity sweep, I was like, okay, I gotta get in, right? Now, then, on the 1 minute, I didn't want to wait for the 1 minute low key, like, I wanted to see a bigger, like a 5 minute thing, but like once I saw this drop, I was like, man's gotta get in it. So you saw the liquidity sweep and then the drop was very quick, very good drop as well. And yeah, that's when I entered the trade. Now gold has been very bullish for the past couple of weeks as well. You can see, I mean, it still is, but let's say we took the trade there. Stop loss at the high, yeah, okay, and then TP was 91-ish, which was this low, because what I thought would happen is we'll sweep this low, we'll get into this demand, and then we might see retracement. Didn't happen, but still nice 4.65 hour trade. Now you can see that gold actually, it dumped like madness in one candle there. It went to 2700. Then it pulled back, but I was asleep, so I didn't care. Obviously, if I wasn't asleep, I'd be pissed as fuck. That's why you also don't go break even, because it makes sense that price comes and retest here, because you have a supply, you have a breakout structure. It makes sense for the retest, right? So I didn't go break even, and then we just melted off beautiful, right? And that was just a very perfect trade on gold. Now, these type of setups happen a lot on gold, I'll be real. And you just gotta watch them and you try to catch them. And this was done on my Funded Squad account. I think on my Instagram you have the proof. I also have the breakdown for this on Instagram, but you have the proof. And yeah, that's just a beautiful trade on gold. We saw that we had a lot of push up. This was actually the supply. Like if you look at the 4 hour, for example, this was the supply that caused that big shift here first, and then we also have this. So that was a good one. Now this trade breakdown isn't very long, because it's like, you guys know me, the trades I take are always the same, because the same setup every single time, so it's quite not that hard. That's why I'm saying, like, just trade one strategy, stick to the strategy, and like simply do the same thing over and over again. That's why trading is also boring, right? But at the end of the day, I understand it now. 19K trade, lovely jubbly.